Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the crib model and laying out every part so you know nothing is missing. Once done, clear a 1.5 2-meter workspace and place a soft mat to protect surfaces and hardware. You gather the tools listed in the manual, typically a Phillips #2 and an Allen key. Use a torque driver for metal bolts if available. This prevents cross-threading and saves time because you can match each bolt to the correct hole before any tightening begins. Next, you attach the end panels to the short rails, finger-tightening bolts at first so components align without strain. Once aligned, position the mattress support and have a second person hold it level while you insert bolts. This keeps the frame square and prevents uneven stress. After all bolts are in, tighten incrementally in an alternating pattern to distribute load. Make sure slat spacing meets safety limits, and add any provided reinforcement brackets to eliminate. Finish by installing the mattress and setting the height according to your baby's age. A lower position for sitting toddlers, higher for newborns. Once set, do a full safety check. Probe for loose hardware, ensure there are no gaps larger than 6 centimeters, and confirm no screws protrude. If you find wobble, stop. Loosen the nearby bolts, realign the panels so joints mate cleanly, then red-iron evenly. If threads are stripped or hardware damaged, replace those parts before using.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.